Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, service door, wireless WAN module, wireless module, optical drive, hard disk drive assembly, fan, keyboard, base enclosure, and USB board. Removal. Disconnect the power connector cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the 4mm T8 Torx head screw that secures the power connector to the top cover. Carefully remove the power connector from the cutout in the top cover and remove. Replacement. Carefully guide the power connector into the cutout in the top cover. Replace the 4mm T8 Torx head screw that secures the power connector to the top cover. Connect the power connector cable to its connector on the system board.